While AAV has earned significant attention as a future modality, it still faces critical bottlenecks, such as high manufacturing cost and scalability challenges, and some complex downstream processing. Therefore, achieving high titers in AAV production, especially in the USB, is paramount. The helper plasmid is a universal requirement for all AAV production, meaning improvement offers immense versatility. Lastly, the expression product of the helper plasmid merely facilitate AAV production and do not physically constitute the AAV vector itself. For AAV2, the titer increased by approximately 6.5-fold, achieving a VG titer close to nearly 1 E plus 11 VG per ml. And the VG per BP value was around 20%, similar to the control. So these results are consistent with or even show improved VG titers compared to those obtained at flask scale. The mini helper technology that we introduced today has dramatically elevated AAV productivity, achieving an industry-leading level of AAV titers. At the same time, we were able to maintain quality, thereby reducing the burden on DSP.